Hey, my girls. I know, don't hate me, y'all. I know it's been a little hot minute trying to follow me, but your girl is back. Your girl is back. Yes. Sorry, I had to get, used to my school schedule, my work schedule, all that all together. But now I got it together, and y'all, guess what? I got some exciting news for y'all. It is currently February the 13th, 12:14. I will show y'all, but hold on, let me see. 12:14. You see it. And y'all, guess who's coming in to sell? My man. My man is flying in, and he's gonna be in Miami in less than an hour. So I'm so excited about it, y'all. Y'all finna spend the whole weekend with us. I'm so excited. Like, I have a surprise for him. I didn't let him know, but I booked us a helicopter ride tonight at 9 o'clock so we can see the views from the city. I'm so excited for that. He's gonna be here till Sunday. He's leaving Sunday morning, sadly. So yeah, we'll see how this weekend goes. I'm so excited. The only thing I'm not excited about is my freaking work got me on schedule for tomorrow. Like, tomorrow is our anniversary. I am not trying to work on my anniversary. Like, that is dead. Like, they need to get that off my schedule. Somebody need to pick up that shit. I've been waiting all week for somebody to pick up this shit. And somebody did pick it up yesterday. But that manager took too long to approve it. And he released it. Like, but we're going to pray. We're going to pray. Everything go good and smooth. And that somebody pick it up so I don't have to go to work tomorrow. But we're going to see. We're going to see. But I'm so excited. So I'm going to talk to y'all when I get in the car to go pick up my man. Because he's going to be in the town. He's going to be in Miami with me. So excited. Alright, y'all. Alright. Y'all, I just made it to the airport. So now I'm just waiting for him to come out. But he basically said he's waiting for his luggage because they only got one bag system for Southwest. Like, that don't make no sense. But yeah, just waiting for him to come out now. I'm so excited. I ain't seen him so long. I haven't seen him since October. So I'm really excited to see my man. So yeah, I'll let y'all know he finally come in the car. Guys, he's here. And now we're gonna go back home because we got a photo shoot at 5 o'clock. So I gotta go do my makeup, eat breakfast, all that good stuff. So we get ready for our photo shoot. I'm so excited. Like, hey. But yeah, I'm talking to y'all later, okay? I gotta pay attention to the road now.
This is high level, not high level. Mama, let me upgrade you.
I got that magnet on the back of my camera and it's sticking to the side of my door. That's nice.
Here was Ham to the vlog. He's on the way to the mall to take pictures for Valentine's Day tomorrow. So yeah.
Turkey. Like my man said, we're on our way to go take them pictures, babe. But like y'all know, it's 3 o'clock in Miami traffic. So it's like a good hour to get there.
Where's the man with no hair? Right here. Show them the man with no hair.
What? You so messy. You so messy. That's like why the camera ain't even gonna flip for you.
No, it definitely flipped.
You so messy.
Why do you hate it? No, because he really ain't got no hair like those.
Stop talking about that man.
Pull up, my guy.
You might have to enjoy your sample. All these stats on
Christian Mingle.
Oh, this is just bad.
Like him or Kobe. Guaranteed that bitch gonna leave.
Just he messy, ain't he, y'all? He messy. Just straight up messy. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get to the mall because he's just too messy. Okay, guys, we just made it. So now we finna walk into JC Penney so we can go take these pictures. I'm so excited, like, so excited. It's gonna come out so cutesy. Look like a good. Hair is big. Love that. That's a natural. I've been embracing my hair because it's Black History Month. Woo woo. So yeah, let's go take these pictures. start off just a nice one, arm around each other. Let's have you put hands in the pocket, leave the thumb up. There you go. And then can you guys turn towards each other? There you go. Perfect. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Why did you look like that? 3. That right now. Perfect, we got it. Awesome. Anything else you guys want to do, or? No, that was it. Perfect. Hey, that's the wrap. Just give me a couple minutes to upload all the images, and then I'll show you all the pictures. Okay. Headlights is showing for real, dog. I love my hair like this, y'all. I did a braid out. I was kind of scared for the outcome, but it actually looks cute. Like,
I need you to get close. You gonna get that?
oh. Okay. I'm gonna get my gift. Okay.
I don't think I'm glad I get that.
So we're finally at my job. You know, I get a discount here and I can eat. Y'all missed it. Horse came over here. He's hilarious. Yeah. Gotta get the brown bread. Brown bread is the best bread. Okay, guys. So my man said he got me a gift, so he's trying to give it to me. This is Georgia Peach. It's too good. So I tried to get one because I'm a Georgia Peach. This is so cute. I told him about this a long time ago, y'all. I'm surprised he remembered this jug. That's crazy. Y'all, I got me a little, what's the Cuban?
Oh, yeah.
You don't even know how to open it. I'm telling him to put it on.
Hold on, let me. No, I was gonna look it up.
I'm so excited, y'all. Like, don't play with you. I got the bling bling. Yeah, you gotta put it on. You gotta put it on in the camera. Wait.
Oh, it is. Oh my God.
Yeah, you good. Good job.
Oh, I do fit.
Oh man, you messing up the aesthetic. Just practice it over there first.
Yeah.
You gotta practice it over there first. Please, I put it on me. We're gonna try this again.
Thank you.
Okay. Let's go. Bling, 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 blah, bling, 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 blah. Period. Like, yes. Thank ya. Period. Don't play with your girl. She got that bling, bling. Hold on. Bling, bling. Bling, bling. Y'all, one thing my job gonna do is they gonna feed you that food. Like, we only got the buffalo strips, not the deluxe, just the regular one with the fries. And I'm already full already. I didn't even get my meal yet. I got a Louisiana chicken pasta. It ain't even come out yet, and I'm already full. So I'm gonna be having a whole bunch to eat for tonight and tomorrow. But yeah, just want to give y'all an update till our food come out. Y'all, our food just arrived. Like I said, I got me a Louis chicken pasta. That was our appetizer, the buffalo strips. And my man got him the Cajun salmon, the mashed potatoes, and the corn. But yeah, y'all. Y'all, we ordered another round of drinks, but I told him we gotta finish the first round before the other drinks come.
I like to drink with Katie because it is late. I like to drink with Katie because she get it down at 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
It's too cold. And you ain't count right. You said 8 twice.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You see, look at him. Don't know how to count. Mister don't know how to count. Anyways, your turn. Oh, it's too late and it came already. We doing good.
This is a lot to get out.
It's too late, y'all. The second drinks done came. But he still gotta go.
Hey.
5. Oh, come on. Don't be taking forever. Okay. Alright. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. I like to drink with Traylon, cause Traylon is my mate. I like to drink with Traylon, cause he gets it down in 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Ooh, 3, 2, 1. He cleared that. He done cleared that. Don't play with the boy. He done did that. I can't do mine, y'all. Mine is ice. Mine is ice. I can do all that. But he finished his, so he did that. Okay, y'all. So I got my Hershey's. I don't know why it's looking like that, but I got my Hershey's cheesecake. You know, and then he got, what you get? The turtle one?
Yeah.
He got the turtle one. So yeah, gonna get ready to tear this up before we go. Made it to his surprise. You can't see the sign, but it says Sky Tours Miami. But yes, he didn't even know what it was until we got here. So happy. Happy.
I've been in the air all day.
You be alright, child. We finna have some fun. Forget that. Put a little sound over it, probably. We're on the way to the helicopter.
Go.
Hi guys. Guess what we finna get on? Helicopter.
Girl, this is a plane.
Plane.
This one I got you with the jabata. I know get time
Hey guys. So what? My bad. Okay. Hey y'all. So today is, what are you doing? You messing me up. Okay. So hey y'all. So it is currently Saturday. So you remember how I was like, I was trying to get off work? Couldn't get off of work, so I did most definitely have to go to work yesterday. They had me there all day. I was so upset. So I didn't record it all yesterday. So here we are today. This is his last full day here because he leaves tomorrow. But yeah, now we're on our way to brunch. We're gonna go to Tap 42 and get drunk, okay? Get to that lick. Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna talk to y'all when we get inside because the traffic bad. So hold on.
So, we're sitting down, trying to figure out what we're gonna eat. And, yeah, it's kind of hot.
I was like, we should sit outside because, you know, it's cute out here, guys. Like, it's so cute. Hold on, because it's not a face track with me, right? This is real cute. The sun is out. It's not too hot, not too cold. Like, look out, Colombia, like. I'm gonna bring y'all back up when like we get the drinks and the food because my battery is low and I'm not trying to, you know, have y'all dead while I'm outside today, okay? So, hello y'all. Y'all, the food has arrived. So I got me fried chicken and waffles, some fries, and my mimosa, of course. And my man got him a steak sandwich and fries. So yeah. Now it's time to dig in, y'all. Time for the taste test. He got 3 silverware. He said, my man said his is a little salty. Let's see. It's good though.
Yeah, it's good. This is what I mean.
You know, a little salty. Not too much though. Oh, there's my chicken and waffles. That's it. Really. Hey, Micah.
Got it?
Our little home. It's so cute.
Vamos a hacerlo otra vez como si hubiesen desayunado, por favor. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Welcome to Miami! Guys, this is not a tour, so stand up and rock your party. Amigos, este barco no es un tour, es una fiesta, así que párate y a mover el esqueleto. Now I wanna see you.